Here are some commonly used keyboard shortcuts for Windows. General. 1.
Ctrl+C, copy.
2. Ctrl+V, paste. 3.
Ctrl+X, cut.
4.
Ctrl+Z, undo.
5.
Ctrl+Y, redo.
6. Ctrl+A, select all. Windows Management. 1.
Win+D, show, hide desktop.
2.
Win+E, open File Explorer.
3.
Alt+Tab, switch between open windows.
4.
Win+L, lock your computer.
5.
Win+R, open the Run dialog box.
6.
Win+P, project to a different screen.
Text editing. 1.
Ctrl+B, bold.
2.
Ctrl+I, italic.
3.
Ctrl+U, underline.
4.
Ctrl+F, find.
5. Ctrl+H, replace. Task management. 1.
Ctrl+Shift+ESC, open Task Manager.
2.
Alt+F4, close current window.
3.
Ctrl+Alt+Delete, open the Security Options menu.
These are just a few examples of the many keyboard shortcuts available in Windows. You can find more by searching online or exploring the Windows Help and Support Center. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, also share with your friends and family.